This is a brief demonstration of the ability to integrate a ServiceNow instance with Sesamy mobile login. So we'll start by basically logging in as normal to a ServiceNow instance. And once we are logged in, we can go ahead and enroll. So there's a module we click here, enroll and login, and it presents us with a QR code. So we have the Sesamy app opened, we scan the code, and it will now prompt us for our email address to authorize it, since this is the first time we've communicated with this website. So I will go ahead and enter my email address. And now it prompts me that it's going to go ahead and send me an email. So I will go ahead and check my email. And I'll go ahead and click the link to authorize the registration. So now Sesamy has me linked with this instance from their end. And it should now basically prompt me that on my device that I'm now registered. And so now I will go ahead and scan the QR code, which will tell me that it wants to use my biometric ID. So I'll go ahead and use my Face ID, and now it tells me that it has successfully enrolled me with the instance. So now if I'll go ahead and log out the user, and I'll go ahead and navigate to our employee service portal. And once the service portal loads, we'll see the QR code here to log in. So we'll go ahead and scan that, use our Face ID. Now it tells us the login successful, and it will now show us our user profile. On the right-hand side here, we can actually see our last login location. And under that, we'll actually see a list of devices that are also tagged with our Sesamy login, and I can basically use any one of these to log into the instance. And so just basically to show that again, if we go ahead and log out, again, we can scan the QR code, use the Face ID, and establish the login session once again.